Hi to everyone and welcome to this new video of Cell Biology Unit 1. During this video, particularly we are gonna focus our attention to part 1. So after studied the the section why study biology, and after analyzing physiological properties and structure of cell, today we are going to discuss and discover more about the organelles. Basically, as we said also before, one of the main difference between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell is the presence of the nucleus. And here we can have a look, for example, what the nucleus is and how it's made of. Generally, unlike the prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell have a membrane-bound nucleus, which is this one, and also numerous membrane-bound organelles, including endoplasmatic reticulum, Golgi apparatum, chloroplast in case of plant cell, and mitochondria, present both in animal and plant cell, and also several rod-shaped chromosomes. It's completely different, this situation, when we compare, for example, the prokaryotic cell to the eukaryotic cell, because we can easily see. I really like this image actually, because we can easily figure it out how different they are, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. So basically what the nucleus is. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle found in eukaryotic cell. It is surrounded by double membrane crossed by pores. This one are the pores, this one, this one, this one, this one, for example. Surrounded by double membrane crossed by pores that allow the entry and exit of the material, basically DNA and protein. So we can imagine that the DNA is inside, some protein also are inside, and the presence of pores allow them to go out, so from the inner part of the nucleus to the external part of the nucleus. Always remember that the nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, so call it DNA. And again, we are gonna have a look about the DNA in the molecular biology course. And how does the nucleus looks like? The microscopes. Here we can see basically this is our cell again in the microscope. I always like and prefer, that's why I always put in this presentation generally a double image. So here we can see how it looks like at the microscope. So this is our cell, and this is the nucleus inside, so this is the dark part, and how it is composed basically. So here we have the nuclear envelope, here we have the nucleolus, here the nuclear porus, so, and here is the part of the cell. What I was saying before, I always like to put this kind of microscope images, because we can really realize how does it look like. And inside the nucleus contain, as I told you before, the genetic material, so-called DNA of a single cell. Nuclear DNA, generally this is the general DNA, is organized as multiple longer linear molecules in a complex with a large variety of proteins, such as histones, so is the name of this protein, to form this structure. This structure is called chromosome. So again, this one is the DNA, which can be found inside the nucleus, but generally the DNA doesn't look like this double strand, but we can always find in a cell, let's say, packed and made of protein at the same time in order to form this structure, so-called chromosomes. And the DNA is called exactly around histones in a regular pattern that produces particular structure called nucleosomes. And here is an example of a human chromosome. I will not spend so much time describe this concept, because we will have a look together in more details in the molecular biology part. But here, for example, we can just see the human chromosome, so all our DNA is inside this structure, okay? And we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Now, again, time for you for an activity. Try to answer to the following question related to the video you just watched. What are the chromosomes? And also, please draw a nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. What do you expect to find inside? Good luck with your activity and hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye!